Hello everyone, this is Lori, a second year student of MDC, and come and join me for my afternoon walk. Hi, so before we leave, I'm gonna put on my shoes and then I will tell you a little bit about myself. So I'm 25 years old and I'm actually a Lagunense. So I was born in Paitay, Laguna, and my hobby is, okay, let me show you. Is this, okay? I like to read. It's all I do. So let me just get my shoes on and then we'll take a walk. I'm very shy, so the rest of this video will be in voiceover. So here I am with a little fit check. This is me walking outside our apartment. I currently live in Pasig, the Green City. So let me show you exactly why I agree with this slogan. This is the typical Pasig Road. May mga kotse, but you can see marami ring plants. Dito sa part ng barangay namin, nice yung houses. As you can see, medyo nasa private village tayo. So I think part din yun kung bakit may plants sa paligid. People can afford to have mini gardens kasi may space sila. I have lived in different parts of Manila and so far dito pa lang ako naka-feel na safe ako maglakad and mag-jog. And medyo cloudy na, so kinakabahan na ako dito. Okay. I hope it doesn't rain. So it's looking a bit cloudy. See there at the end of the road, marami ng mga kotse, and iyan na rin yung Capitolio food strip. So lahat ng kahabaan yan puro restos na, pero as you can see dito sa dinadaanan ko, walang masyadong tao and sasakyan. So I appreciate that. I hate crossing streets lalo na kapag walang enforcer kasi patintero talaga sa mga sasakyan. Bakit sa Pilipinas parang kasalanan pa ng mga pedestrians ang tumawid sa tamang tawiran? This is the one thing I would like to change, hindi lang dito kundi sa buong bansa. Can we prioritize our pedestrians always? Before I end, the 3 key messages emerge from my walk are: balance is attainable. We do not have to sacrifice nature to be called maunlad. Second, it takes a village. We all need to pitch in to make the good happen. Lastly, when we prioritize nature, it is us who benefits from it. So that's it. Takbo ulit ako. Then I'll see you later. Hi guys, just got home. Thank you for accompanying me.